Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes the time allocated to tasks in the Data Analytics Reporting section. Using a manager or the Global Administrator user account, select Data Analytics Reporting on the left menu bar. Then select Time allocated to tasks Data Analytics Report. The Select Task and Project drop field will initially list all in-progress tasks for the department or departments the manager manages. Select the task that you would like to inquire how many hours were allocated working on it. The initial chart will indicate all work done hours of all applicable employees who are assigned to the project, grouped by the week, month, and year, indicating the number of hours on each work period group. The total hours are summed at the top with the title of the task. In the Select Employee drop list, select the respective employee to view their allocated work hours to the selected task. Select the blank drop list item to view all hours allocated to the task. To view tasks that are not in progress, such as completed, not started, etc., make this selection in the Status Filter drop list. Selecting the Clear Filter checkbox will display all tasks regardless of their status. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.